Okay, this is me on Sean. This is gonna be doing problem 1, 4, and 6 on the exam. Okay, so question 1 is gonna be n minus 9y equals x minus x squared. So first, solve the homogeneous equation. So we'll do y minus 9 minus 9y equals 0. Then y9 minus 9y equals 0. Wait, I just rewrote that. Let's cross that out. Then it's going to be r squared minus 9 equals 0, and this will give us r equals 3, r equals negative 3. So the homogeneous equation is going to be yh of x equals c1e 3x plus c2e negative 3 to the x. Then these constants will be determined later on, but now we look at the x minus x squared part. So yp of x is going to equal ax squared plus px plus c. Then getting the derivatives, bx squared plus px and plus c, and then it's going to be 2ax plus b, and then ypn is going to equal 2a. Then we're going to plug into the differential equation. So first it's going to be yp9 minus 9yp equal 2a minus 9ax squared plus bx plus c. Then simplify, it's going to be negative 9 ax squared minus 9bx plus 2a minus 9c. And then if we want this to equal x minus x squared, so negative 9a is going to equal negative 1. So a is going to equal 1 over 9. Negative 9b equals 1. B is going to equal negative 1 over 9. 2a minus 9c is going to equal c is going to equal 2 over 81. So the solution is going to be yp equals 1 over 9 x squared plus 1 over 9x plus 2 over 81. And the next final solution is going to be y over x y over x is going to equal c1e 3x plus c2e negative 3 to the x plus 1 over 9x squared minus 1 over 9x plus 2 over 81. And then for part B, I'm going to plug x equals 0 into y of x. So negative 1 is going to equal c1 plus c2 plus 2 over 81. That's going to be c1 plus c2, which then equals negative 83 over 81. And then differentiate the full solution, so we'll go y of n 3c1 e 3 to the x minus 3c2 e to the negative 3x plus 2 over 9x minus 1 over 9. Then we're going to plug in x equals 0, so 0 equals 3c1 minus 3c2 minus 1 over 9. c1 minus c2 equals 1 over 27n. Then add and subtract. c1 is going to equal negative 41 over 81. c2 is going to equal negative 42 over 81. So the final answer is going to be y of x equals negative 41 over 81 e 3 to the x minus 42 over 81 e to the negative 3x plus 1 over 9 x squared minus 1 over 9x plus 2 over 81 and that is the final solution for number 1. Okay, next we're going to be doing number 4. So So first, we're gonna convert all units to feet. So 2 inches is gonna be 1/6 feet, and initial displacement, which is 6 inches, is gonna be 0.5 feet. We're gonna use W equals kx. So 4 equals k times 1/6. So k equals 24 pounds feet. Then we're going to convert weight to mass. M equals 4/32, which is going to equal 1/8 slugs. Write the motion equation then. Equals 0, 1/8 yn plus 24y is going to equal 0. So yn plus is going to be yn plus 192y equals 0, and then the characteristic equation is going to be r squared plus 192 equals 0, r equals plus minus 8 3i. So a solution for this is going to be y over t equals c1 cosine of 8 square root 3t plus c2 sine 8 square root 3t n. And then apply the initial condition, which is y of 0 equals 0.5. So c1 equals 0.5. Y prime of 0 is going to equal 0. c2 is going to equal 0. And the final answer is going to be y over t is going to be 0.5 cosine 8. 0.5 cosine 8 square root 3t n. Okay, next it is going to be 4b. So the amplitude is just 0.5 feet, and then the angular frequency was 8 square root 3, so t equals 2 pi over that, so 2 pi over 8 square root 3, so that's going to be pi over 4 square root 3 and seconds. Then force t. So add the damping, so yn plus 2y prime 92y then equals 0. So r squared plus 2r plus 192 is going to equal 0. R is going to equal -1 plus minus 191 in. Then the general solution is going to be y over t equals e to the negative t c1 cosine of square root 191t plus c2 sine square root 191t. Then the initial conditions again, so y over 0, well, we already did it, was c1 is going to be 0.5, and this time around c2 is going to be 0.5 over square root 191 n, and then the final answer is going to be y over t e to the negative t 0.5 cosine of square root 191 t plus 0.5 square root 191 sine of square root 191 t. Okay, this is number 6 on the differential exam equation on the math exam. Just set it up. Okay. Number 6 is going to be 2y prime plus 5y equals x squared e to the negative 2x. So first we're going to solve. So plus 5y equals 0. The characteristic equation is going to be r squared plus 2r plus 5, which equals 0. Use the quadratic formula, so -2 plus minus 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times 5 all over 2 times 1, which is then going to simplify to -2 plus minus 4i over 2, which then equals -1 plus minus 2i. So the homogeneous equation is going to be YH of x, which equals e to the negative x, c1 cosine 2 of x plus c2 sine 2 of x. The right hand side is x squared e to the negative 2x, so particular solution is going to be e to the negative 2x, ax squared plus bx plus c. Then next, we're going to compute, so this is going to be, it's going to equal e to the negative 2x, ax squared plus bx plus c, just rewriting it. So we're going to get the first derivative. So it's going to be dx e to the negative 2x, x squared plus bx plus c. And that's going to equal e to the negative 2x, 2ax plus b plus negative 2 to the negative 2x, ax squared plus bx plus c. Kind of hard to fit it all in. Then that from there is going to equal e to the negative 2x, negative 2ax squared plus 2a minus 2b x plus b minus 2c. Then we're going to get the second derivative using the product rule. Going on the back page. U d of x of e to the negative 2x, negative 2ax squared plus 2a minus 2b of x plus b minus 2c. So then that's going to equal, skipping a step, we're going to go e to the negative 2x, negative 4ax plus 2a minus 2b plus 4ax squared minus 4 times 2a minus 2b. And then simplifying further, skipping a step once again since it's really long. E to the negative 2x, 4ax squared minus 12a minus 8b x plus 2a minus 4b plus 4c. And we're going to plug it into the original equation. So we already got, so we're just going to add them all up together. So it would be yn plus 2y plus 5y, which is going to equal e to the negative 2x, 4a minus 4a plus 5a x squared plus negative 12a plus 8b plus 4a minus 4b plus 5b x, and then plus 2a, really long, but minus 4b plus 4c plus 2b minus 4c plus 5c. That's going to simplify to e to the negative 2x, 5ax squared plus negative 8a plus 9b x plus 2a minus 2b plus 5c. Okay. Then we're going to match. So e to the negative 2x, 5ax squared plus negative 8a plus 9bx plus 2a minus 2b plus 5c. We're going to set that equal to e to the negative 2x, x squared plus 0x plus 0. Match coefficients, 5a equals 1, so a is going to equal 1 over 5. Negative 8a plus 9b, so negative 8 times 1 over 5 plus 9 over b. B is going to equal 8 over 45. And then 2a minus 2b plus 5c. 2 times 1 over 5. 2 times 0 over 45. 5c is going to equal 0. C equals 1 over 225. And then the final general solution is going to be e to the negative x, c1 cosine 2 of x plus c2 sine 2 of x plus e to the negative 2x, 1 over 5x squared plus 8 over 45x plus 1 over 225.